Welcome back to my garage. Today we get the brute force concept engine assembled again, now without all those leaky bits. Hopefully.
Previously you saw me making that crude test stand, assembling the engine and starting it for the first time. I was struggling with the missing spark in the... Initially, turned out I had put the kill switch in like the wrong way around. So fixed that and it started up. It was leaking a lot though from all those 3D printed parts, and so that's where we left off.
Here's where those 3D printed parts failed. You can see here, and this is clamped down as tight as possible, and there's still a gap here. Because when you clamp it down here, it bows in the middle. Might be a good idea to have them printed with kind of a spherical face, so that it clamps more in the middle than towards the sides. But now I'm just machining parts out of aluminium, replacement parts.
I kept on machining parts off camera, and with just 2 pieces left, my computer decided to reject its RAM. And that in turn corrupted the Mach 3 config file. This had a mill do things like drop the tool while spinning in the middle of an operation. Not pleasant. My immediate reaction was to go on a killing spree, murder an entire village. Then I decided maybe not. Had some coffee instead. Maybe designing a do-it-yourself speed limiter for the Death Trap Ender bike could take my mind off things. Or maybe just a test ride. Maybe a test ride would do it.
I've actually gone and bought some proper motorcycle safety gear because of this bike, and I'm getting older, so I'm more paranoid. But that's not what I'm going to talk about now. I just heard a cop car down here. In this area there's almost never any cops. And I was just going to go on a test ride. I think I'll better stay low for a little while here. Not that there's anything illegal with the bike or anything, just, you know.
Being featured on the most wanted list, I thought I might as well just start drinking. And after a couple of rather large sips, I knew exactly what had to happen.
Take me by the hand, making me a man. That one night, you made everything alright. Yeah, that one night, you made everything alright. So roll, so right all night, alright, oh yeah. Yeah.
yeah. So roll, so ride all night, alright, oh yeah. This is dumb. Back to work. This you don't see on the cheaper clamps. They come pre-greased from factory. A slight design flaw here. There's zero clearance between the silicone tubing and the engine case. Well, this is pliable though, and I think the solution, and I'm hoping this will hold, is to just force a zip tie through there and use the zip tie. Let's hope that keeps it on there. I didn't hit my mark perfectly here because it's kind of difficult because it moves when I tension the belt, and with the tightness of the belt I can't take it off without taking off the whole cover. So what I think I'll do is just, you see I've started, I'll just bend off and take off this flange because it's not really needed. There's compressor, it's not really needed because there's two flanges on the other pulley, and this is just over constraining it. Like that. Perfect. Now I can take the belt off and and time it correctly without having to remove the whole thing here. It's almost ready for another test fire. Need to hook up the EGT and the water hoses. But I won't be able to start it in this video because it's raining a lot. I'm not taking the chances of starting it in here and possibly catching the whole place on fire. I know, proper motorcycle safety gear, steel toe boots, becoming a pussy. Next time though, stay tuned. See you next time.
Take me by the hand, making me a man. That one night, you made everything alright. Yeah, that one night, you made everything alright. So right all night, alright, oh yeah, yeah.